how to enable or disable flash and live photo indicators in camera on the iPhone 17 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on Settings. Now in Settings, scroll down and tap on Camera. Then we scroll down and tap on Indicators. In the Photo section, tap on Flash toggle button to enable or disable it, or tap on Live Photo to disable or enable Live Photo. Now when you turn this on, and if you go to your camera, you can see these are flash and live photo indicators at the top there. If we switch it off, then the indicator will not appear at the top here. And that's it. So if you go back into settings and we turn it back on, you can see it will now turn back on in here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.